Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the could not send message problem on Facebook Lite easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for Facebook Lite, tap on Facebook Lite app and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, clear data. Okay, back. And now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow back, second call logs allow back, another camera allow back, and contacts, location, microphone, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Facebook Lite. Now tap on Facebook Lite and check update your Facebook Lite. My Facebook Lite app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and open your Facebook Lite. And tap on message option, then tap on message. I hope easily your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.